Wait, don't freak out. So you go to turn on your laptop and it won't turn on no matter what you do. All your data is still safe 9 times out of 10. So I'm gonna show you how to get that data back with just a screwdriver and a black box. So first what you wanna do is definitely get the battery out of the laptop. There's just a little tab that you pull and the battery slides right out. And now on the bottom of it, there's usually a section that you could unscrew, either to access the RAM or the hard drive like we need to. So in that case, this laptop only has 2 screws. We'll easily pop the lid off. There's a little tab that you can pull back to release the hard drive. Sometimes on laptops, you're gonna have hard drives that have a cage on them, which can be released by just 4 screws. Now that we have full access to the hard drive, let's get this thing hooked up. To get these things set up, all you really need is the USB cable that's included, and then the power supply for it. So we'll plug in the USB, plug that into another computer, plug in the power, and finally, before we power this thing on, we'll plug in the hard drive. Now once that's secured, we can flick the switch on the back. Now on the computer, it will pop up like a normal flash drive. So now you have access to all your data, so you can back it up onto this computer, or put it on a jump drive so you can put it on a new computer that you get. If you found this video helpful, you could check down the links below and buy the products that I have featured here. And if you live local, I could do this for you. Just message me directly and we'll set something up.